Have you ever wondered what would happen if someone made a mistake and accidentally changed history forever? One discovery was so unexpected that it began with a scientist noticing mold growing where it shouldn't have been. That strange accident would eventually save millions of lives. But that wasn't the only world-changing discovery found by chance. Subscribe to the channel. And let's explore 7 incredible discoveries that happened completely by accident. Workers digging for phosphate in Florida thought it would be an ordinary day. Instead, they uncovered giant fossilized bones hidden underground, millions of years old. The discoveries included ancient horses, giant sharks, massive sloths, and creatures that lived long before humans appeared. What started as routine industrial work quickly attracted scientists from across the country. Some of the fossils helped researchers better understand how North America looked during prehistoric times. A simple mining operation became one of the richest fossil sites ever discovered in the region. In 1965, 2 engineers named Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson were working with a giant radio antenna. They were trying to eliminate an annoying background signal. No matter what they did, the noise remained. They checked the equipment. They checked the wiring. They even cleaned bird droppings from inside the antenna. Nothing worked. Eventually, they learned that the signal wasn't coming from Earth at all. It was ancient radiation left over from the birth of the universe. A faint echo of the Big Bang itself. Their accidental discovery became one of the strongest pieces of evidence supporting modern cosmology. In the early 1700s, a German color maker named Heinrich Diesbach was attempting to create a red pigment. Something went wrong during the chemical process. Instead of red, the mixture produced a deep and vibrant blue. The color was unlike anything artists had seen before. The accident created what became known as Prussian Blue. The pigment quickly spread across Europe. Famous painters began using it in their works. For decades, it remained one of the most important colors in art. All because a chemical experiment failed. In 1974, scientists studying radio signals from space noticed a strange, repeating pulse. The signal appeared so regular that it seemed almost artificial. Some researchers jokingly referred to it as a message from little green men. But further investigation revealed something far more extraordinary. The source was a rapidly spinning neutron star, an object formed after the explosive death of a massive star. These objects were later named pulsars. The discovery opened an entirely new field of astronomical research and helped scientists better understand some of the most extreme environments in the universe. In 1895, physicist Wilhelm Röntgen was experimenting with electrical equipment. During one test, he noticed a mysterious glow coming from a nearby screen. The screen should not have been glowing at all. Curious, he began investigating. He discovered a completely unknown type of radiation. To test it further, he placed his wife's hand between the source and a photographic plate. The resulting image revealed the bones inside her hand. For the first time in history, humans could see beneath the skin without surgery. The accidental discovery of X-rays transformed medicine forever. And doctors still use the technology every day. In 1839, Charles Goodyear had spent years trying to improve natural rubber. The material became sticky in heat and brittle in cold weather. It was frustrating and unreliable. One day, a mixture of rubber and sulfur accidentally landed on a hot stove. Instead of melting into a useless mess, the material became stronger and more durable. Goodyear realized he had discovered something important. The process became known as vulcanization. It made rubber practical for industrial use. Without it, modern tires, seals, hoses, and countless everyday products would not exist. And now, the discovery we mentioned at the beginning. In 1928, Alexander Fleming returned to his laboratory after a vacation. One of his experiments had been contaminated by mold. Most scientists would have thrown it away immediately. Fleming looked closer. He noticed something strange. The bacteria surrounding the mold had disappeared. A clear ring surrounded the contamination. Something inside the mold was killing the bacteria, instead of ignoring the accident. Fleming investigated further. The mold produced a substance that became known as penicillin. Years later, penicillin became the world's first true antibiotic. Before antibiotics, simple infections could be deadly. Minor injuries could become fatal. Diseases that are easily treated today often claimed countless lives. Penicillin changed that. It revolutionized medicine. It transformed surgery. It helped save wounded soldiers during wartime. And experts estimate that antibiotics have saved hundreds of millions of lives since their introduction, all because one scientist paid attention to a mistake. One contaminated laboratory dish changed human history forever. Sometimes the greatest discoveries are not made by searching for answers. Sometimes they appear completely by accident. Thanks for watching. Informboom.